Hello friends, my name is Sandeep Bhairwan and I am from Haryana. I did my masters from Punjab Technical University Jalandhar and I did my bachelor's from Maharishi Dayanand University Rohtak. Basically, I am related to textile field and I am working as a lecturer from last 8 to 9 years. And I was thinking about doing higher studies like PhD from US. So I came to know about Dr. Narendra Parmar, who is helping students in doing PhD from abroad countries. So I contacted him and asked him few questions about my higher studies, that how can I go there to pursue my PhD, or what are the processes that I have to do. And Dr. Narendra Parmar cleared all my doubts within few minutes after talking to him. And I'm very thankful to him that he is doing a really good job helping students who wants to do higher studies. And for that I gave IELTS exam, because it is a language proficiency test which is mandatory to pursue higher studies. So I gave my IELTS exam 2 months back and I got 7 bands in my exam. So here I would like to share my experience about IELTS exam. Basically, I think everyone knows that there are 4 sections in IELTS exam: reading, writing, listening and speaking. So these 4 sections I have done from myself. I took help from some internet videos or YouTube channels. So basically, if you want to practice or you want to score good marks in listening, you need to do practice more and more listening tests. And I preferred to take some Cambridge tests that were available on internet. And after practicing, I got a good score in listening section. For writing section, I did some practice of task 1 and task 2 that were available on the Cambridge IELTS book that are available on internet. After doing, I think 15 to 20 tests, I think I got a good idea about how to perform a task 1 and task 2 essay in IELTS writing exam. For reading section, I practiced around 20 to 25 tests. Reading section is the most difficult section, I think, because the questions are very tricky and the passages are very long. If a person wants to clear reading section, he must uh, synchronize the timing with the solution as well as with the speed. So for speed, I practice more and more tested, and here also I took help from Cambridge IELTS test. I think I practiced around Cambridge test 8 to 15. These are 7 test series. Each series contain 4 reading tests. So I did, I think, 28 to 30 tests for practicing the reading section. And for speaking section, I did practice with one of my friend who is very good at speaking, and he was very helping, and he always tell me about my mistakes that I was doing while speaking to him. Basically, speaking test is one-to-one conversation between two persons, the examiner and the candidate. So for speaking, we need to do practice with a person who is good at English so that he can tell us about our mistakes. And lastly, Dr. Narendra Parmar also guided me about my exam. And these are the things I want to share with you. And I will recommend all of you to contact Dr. Narendra Parmar if you want to pursue higher studies like PhD or any other master degree from a abroad country like USA or Canada or any other country. So that's it. Thank you so much.